Have you ever wondered if you really need to download the RingCentral app on your phone? It's a question that many people ask, and with good reason. After all, who wants another app cluttering their screen? In today's digital age, communication tools have evolved rapidly. RingCentral, a popular cloud-based communication platform, offers a variety of features, from phone calls and video conferencing to messaging and faxing. But is downloading the app the only way to access these services? Let's dive in and find out. The benefits of the RingCentral app. Convenience. The app offers a convenient way to access your RingCentral account from anywhere. Whether you're on the go or working from home, you can easily make and receive calls, send messages, and manage your voicemail. Features. The app provides a range of features that can enhance your communication experience. These include call recording, call forwarding, and integration with other popular apps like Salesforce and Microsoft Teams. Notifications. The app allows you to receive notifications for incoming calls, messages, and voicemail. This can help you stay organized and avoid missing important communications. Alternatives to downloading the app. Web browser. One of the most convenient ways to access RingCentral is through a web browser. Simply go to the RingCentral website and log in to your account. You can access most of the same features as the app, including making and receiving calls, sending messages, and managing your voicemail. Soft phone. If you prefer a desktop-based solution, you can use a soft phone. A soft phone is a software application that allows you to make and receive phone calls using your computer's microphone and speakers. RingCentral offers a soft phone that can be downloaded and installed on your computer. Hardware phone. For a more traditional phone experience, you can use a hardware phone. RingCentral offers a variety of hardware phones that can be connected to your internet connection and used to make and receive calls. So, do you need to download the RingCentral app? Consider your needs. The answer to this question depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you frequently use your phone for work or personal communication and want to have easy access to RingCentral's features, then downloading the app may be a good option for you. However, if you primarily use your computer for work and don't need to access RingCentral on the go, then you may be able to get by with using a web browser or soft phone. Try it out. The best way to decide if you need to download the RingCentral app is to try it out for yourself. Create a free account and explore the app's features. If you find it to be convenient and helpful, then you may want to continue using it. If not, you can always switch to a different method of accessing RingCentral. In conclusion, whether or not you need to download the RingCentral app depends on your individual needs and preferences. While the app offers a convenient way to access RingCentral's features from your phone, there are also other options available, such as using a web browser, soft phone, or hardware phone. If you're still unsure about whether to download the RingCentral app, I encourage you to try it out for yourself. Create a free account and explore the app's features. You may be surprised at how easy and convenient it can be to use. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.